Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a Factory 5 33 Ford. This baby is sweet, man. She's on basically the same type of chassis as the Roadsters and drive just like it. Man, it sticks to the road, looking beautiful. We got LS power with a 4-speed automatic here. She is gorgeous. It looks like that grille has been powder coated. Now the headlights do show just a little bit of wear on the top here where it looks like the chrome is worn off. Other than that, this car is just absolutely beautiful. You got to check out the interior here. Of course, we got racing seats in there with seat belts, looking sweet, tilt column, everything painted up nice, finished nice. She's gorgeous inside and out. Now I'm going to show you right here where the latch is for the hood. The latch for the hood is right down here on the back side, and then the latch for the trunk is right here also. So we'll lift up that trunk and take a look in there also. Great looking blacked out wheels on this thing. See the trunk all popped open. So the battery's right there in an easy location to reach, no problem. Then we got stereo equipment back here too. It's got a really cool stereo. I believe it's got 4 speakers in the doors. As you look down the passenger side, slick as can be. Now what's really cool about these cars is, of course, nobody knows what one of these is. So everywhere you go, you're going to draw a crowd. Everybody's going to want to talk to you about your beautiful car. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car. So the first thing we do to every car when it comes into the shop here is we put them up on the lift, take our pictures, do our videos, do our inspection, so Tom can accurately answer every one of your questions when you call him at 248-974-9513. If you want to check out about 100 pictures of the car, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You're catching us on YouTube now, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell so you get a notification every time we get a cool car in. All right, let's go for a ride in this 33. You want to talk about cool? We got LS power. We got 33 Factory 5. I mean, this thing drives like it's on rails. It's quick. It's looking good. Guys, this is one sweet ride right here. So give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. You're gonna have a blast driving this baby. That 4-speed automatic transmission's feeling good. She is an amazing ride, guys. Now we can also help you out with financing. If you need help with financing, just call Tom. Him and the bankers can do all that on the phone with you. Or if you'd like to fill out an app online, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And don't forget to check us out on YouTube, which you're watching right now. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell, and we'll send you a notification every time we post a new video. Now, a lot of people will fly in here and check us out in person. You can see that the dash is looking sweet. They did a beautiful job on that. What's cool about flying in here is we're very close to the airport and we're a hub, so a lot of people can fly in the morning, come on out, visit us, take care of business, and then be right back on the plane on the way home that evening. Or we've got a great hotel right there at the airport. Now we're about to do something that nobody does to every one of their vehicles. At Vanguard, every vehicle goes up on the lift so you can see exactly what the bottom side looks like also. You know, the bottom side of your car is like the foundation on your house. You better have a nice bottom side. This one's so nice, you're gonna need to put mirrors underneath this baby. Now here we are at 15100 Keel Street. This is our main location. We got another storage building about 2 miles from here. If you want to send an inspector, no problem. I'll meet you underneath the car. All right, we're underneath the Factory 5 now, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see that the exhaust is all stainless and been polished up, and then the frame members are going in every direction back here. All kinds of bracing back here. We got our Panhard bar here. We got our lower links here, and we got a single link up at the top. We got a 323 gear. It is Posi. We got disc brakes out here. Just everything under here is looking sweet. All the tin work under here also looking beautiful. Looks like the fuel filter's mounted right there. The fuel pump is mounted up over here. You can see that the mufflers are also stainless. You're gonna have to get some mirrors put underneath this car and show it off a little bit. And then all the bridging work under here. Again, looks like bar joists under here holding up a bridge, man. It's looking sweet. Now we got a 4L60E trans that is a 4-speed automatic. Then we got LS1 power up front here. You can see that all the steering gear is also polished up, looking good. And again, more braces going in every direction. I tell you what, this thing was a jigsaw puzzle and a half. Factory 5 did a beautiful job putting all this together. Rack and pinion steering up front. Now the lower control arms are fully adjustable here. We got adjustment on the front bar and the rear bar here. We got disc brakes up here also. I can see the aluminum radiator here. I already told you about the rack and pinion steering. Now on the tires, let's see if we can find the size here. We've got, where's that size at? There it is. 255/40 ZR 18s up front. And these blacked out wheels and all this aluminum's polished up. I don't see a mark on them, looking good. Let's check out these rears. Now out back here, we got more rubber on the road because that's where the horsepower is hitting the road. Looks like 295/35 18s, same good looking wheel, and of course disc brakes out back too. So let's get under the hood and take a look at that LS power. All right, under the hood here we got LS1 power. You can see that the front drive system on this thing is all blacked out, looking good. Alternator's blacked out, the AC pump's blacked out. And the suspension on the front end of this thing is so cool. It's got a pivot point down here, then the coilovers are actually there right in the center, looking sweet. You can see that aluminum radiator too. Everything under here is nice and clean. We got a reservoir there for the brakes. We've got our dipstick here for the automatic transmission. You can see that the headers are jet coated down there. Just everything on the car is just phenomenal, guys. She's an LS1, she's Factory 5, beautiful workmanship, so give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.